What's up, guys? Today we're making these delicious turkey burgers, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cutting up our onions, and then we're going to cut up our bell pepper and our pickle, and we're just going to set all of that to the side. And you can get pickle spears if you want. I just got regular pickle and cut it. Now we're going to make our aioli, so we're going to do lemon juice, our mayo, garlic, olive oil, and then our dry seasonings, and we're just going to mix all of that together. And when it's fully combined, it should look like this. And then we're just going to set that to the side and put 2 tablespoons of that inside of our ground turkey. Just mix it all up until it's fully combined, and then we're going to wet our hands and form 4 patties. So after we've formed 4 patties with the turkey burgers, we're going to cook them on the stovetop instead of the air fryer, just because I feel like they dry out a lot faster in the air fryer. But we're going to cook our veggies at the same time that we're cooking our turkey burgers. So the veggies should cook in the amount of time it takes for the burgers, but we're just going to do 4 minutes on each side. And during that time, just make sure you're mixing up your veggies, but we want to have them nice and charred like this. And then we're just going to take our buns, put on our aioli. After that, we're going to add our flax corn flakes, and then our pickles, and then we're going to add our turkey burger bun back on top of that, and then our veggies, and that's it. And then you're just going to top it off. Super easy, super simple, and super delicious. All right, bon appetit. Yeah, it's tasty.